Hello friends, today we will see the introduction of medical coding. So first we will understand what do you mean by medical coding. Medical coding is the study of medical record in which medical record is converted into alphanumerical forms. Medical coding includes all the medical record of the patient, such as the medical record of patient, in which hospital he was admitted, and what treatments did the patient has given is given by the doctor, or what disease does the patient have, or what procedure or treatment does the patient was given by the doctor, the start date of the treatment and end date of the treatment. All the medical record is converted into alphanumerical forms. The work of medical coder is to convert all these medical records of the patient, such as treatment, or a disease, or the duration of treatment. Everything is converted into alphanumerical form. The medical terminology is important in the medical coding. Every part of the human body has its medical term. That's why HAP is needed in medical terminology, or in medical coding. The medical coding has three parts, that is prefixes, root word, and suffixes. Prefixes are the words, are the starting word of the main medical terminology or medical term. The root word is the body, the main word which describes the condition, and the suffix is the ending part of the terminology. For example, prefixes are the indicates the size, shape, location, or the count. For example, brandy, tachy, or hyper, hypo, etc. The root word, next is the root word. Root word is the main word. For example, thyroid means thyroid gland, cardiac means heart, renal means kidney, etc. And suffixes are the ending part of the term. For example, ism. Ism refers to the study, and ectomy means the surgical removal. So next is anatomical position. Anatomical positions are supine position, in which the body is laying down and the face is upward oriented. And next is prone position, in which the body is laying down and face is down oriented. Next is anatomical planes. Anatomical planes are sagittal plane, in which first we will understand what do you mean by anatomical plane. Anatomical plane is the imaginary line which divides the body into two parts, that is left and right. Sagittal plane is in which the body is divided into two regions, that is left and right, in vertical position. Mid sagittal is a plane is the plane which is divided which divides the body or organ into two equal parts in vertical position, that is right and left. And parasagittal is the plane which divides the body or organ in left and right in unequal part. Next is frontal plane. In frontal plane, the body or organ is divided into front plane and back plane. And next is transition position plane, in which the organ or the body is divided into two regions, that is upper region and lower region. That is all about the medical introduction of medical coding. Thank you.